Hello friends, how is everyone? I hope you are all doing very well. So friends, we've come to our new video today. In today's video, the new content we have is about how to add subtitles in Capcut for free. So without delay, let's start the video. So first, you need to open the Capcut app. After opening it, an interface like this will appear in front of you. So you have to select the video that you want to add subtitles to. Then we selected this video, Friends. Or after doing it, you will find an option called Add here. You need to go to Add. You will get a text option below. You need to click on this text option. After clicking this, several more options will appear in front of you. You will see an option called Auto Caption. You need to click on Auto Caption. After clicking, you will see here that you can select the language. You can select the language here. We are keeping English here. Okay, we are keeping our English language. You will find the generator option below. Alright, you need to click on generate. After clicking, once it is done loading, the caption will be set. So friends, if you liked our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Leaving for now. See you in the next video.